Hi lovelies, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show us two different head wrap turban look. So let's get started. This is the first one. All I did here is to tie it at the back and also give it a wrap and tuck it in. Then the next thing I also did was to take the other tip which I crossed at the back and wrap. Just wrap. Next thing I did to stop at the front here, then give it a little twist. That is, I'm going to separate the two edges and I took one to the back and tuck it in. Let's watch how I gave it that little twist. After tucking the first edge, I also give the other edge a little bit twist and also wrap at the back. So this head wrap here is giving this kind of a vibe that I like a type of head wrap you can slay on a bubu kaftan or for Eid celebration or to any beautiful event like a ceremony, anniversaries. Good to go. Then this second head wrap is one of my everyday head wrap, like a casual one, and it also suits for bubu kaftan outfit. Either ways, for a casual wear or for a bubu kaftan outfit, or that's O&B special. And I also love the fact that this print of scarf I'm using here is a bit soft, so it makes it much easier and simple to tie. That's the difference between a cotton scarf and also a silk scarf. The texture. Let me know your favorite look in today's video. I'll see you all in my next fashion video. Stay blessed. Remember, I love you guys, and don't forget to share, like, subscribe. As a returning subscriber, thanks for keeping up with this channel. I love you guys. Bye.